Lucky wants to grab the tool. Very good. Very good. Very good, Lucky. Lucky is now making it on the desk. Very good. It also needs skincare.
Wait, dali Fox. Sisay na pag tubig eh. Ano? Skincare. Skincare yan. Skincare yan.